Well, we're getting ready. It's like it's 8:30. We got a ways to go. See how the farmers market is going to treat us today. We're looking for some sauce right now, some salsa. At the other end of the market, which we don't normally travel down, but since we're on this journey, we'll go that way. Hey, stand by. We'll get back to you.
She got the shirt on, so.
Well, we're ready. We got pound cake for dessert.
Truck that
And
serves
we got
us
some
the
brand
breakfast
new
stuff.
vendor is selling salsa.
Yeah,
Medium.
I wish the truck would sell his stuff he makes in a jar.
Dual sickle, frutillery.
But I don't see.
I'm gonna bring my dog next
say.
week. See if he brings his dog every
It
week.
says sweet and spicy.
I'm
I know
gonna
it ain't
bring the
hot. That's
firecracker.
why I want hot.
Well, it's not quite 10:30. We've had 18. I think we've done 18 so far. There's a few, not many nice people here, but the market is wide open. That's wide open with a big W.
Found something. At least you found them.
Yeah.
As long as they don't poke a hole in your hand when you
Big
reach it.
Cutco, serrated knives,
thank you again.
Homestead.
Hi, Max. Get to see in a rare moment with no mask.
We got 5 minutes to go, and the lady just rolled in with a big whole block of Chicago cutlery.
Yeah, 5 minutes and then you show up.
We can't do them because we have to be up. We have to open the street back up at 12 o'clock. So I'm taking them home for homework. A whole block of gathering.